I am affirmations for confidence, success, and positivity. 40 affirmations to transform your mindset. You can say these affirmations out loud or silently, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Repeat each affirmation after me, allowing you to really feel the words and the energy behind them. Remember to persevere and stay committed to your goals, and trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Let's begin. I am strong, capable, and resilient. I am confident in my abilities and talents. I am worthy of success, happiness, and fulfillment. I am a magnet for abundance, success, and love. I am deserving of all the good things life has to offer. I am a powerful creator of my reality. I am in control of my thoughts, feelings, and actions. I am constantly growing and evolving. I am a force of positivity, love, and light. I am centered, balanced, and at peace with myself. I am open to receiving and enjoying life's blessings. I am committed to living a life of purpose and passion. I am a courageous and determined achiever. I am dedicated to personal growth and self-improvement. I am the architect of my destiny and the master of my fate. I am open to new experiences and opportunities. I am grounded, focused, and ready to achieve greatness. I am grateful for the people and experiences in my life. I am a beacon of love, joy, and positivity. I am a catalyst for positive change in my life and the lives of others. I am fearless in the pursuit of my dreams and goals. I am a compassionate and empathetic listener. I am a source of inspiration and motivation for others. I am in harmony with the universe and its infinite abundance. I am open to giving and receiving love and support. I am connected to my inner wisdom and intuition. I am creative, resourceful, and adaptable. I am a powerful problem solver and critical thinker. I am a loving, kind, and nurturing individual. I am a force for good and a positive influence on others. I am patient, understanding, and respectful. I am a leader and an example of excellence. I am a radiant and vibrant being, full of energy and vitality. I am an unstoppable force of success and progress. I am empowered, self-assured, and secure in my worth. I am a beautiful expression of the universe's limitless potential. I am a unique and valuable contributor to the world. I am a warrior, facing life's challenges with courage and grace. I am a magnet for health, wealth, and happiness. I am present, mindful, and fully engaged in every moment. Thank you for joining me in today's affirmation session. If you found value in these affirmations, please take a moment to like this video and share it with your friends, so we can spread the power of positivity together. Also, I'd love to hear about your experiences with affirmations in the comments below. Let's create an uplifting community where we can support and inspire each other on this journey. Remember, you are worthy, loved, and capable of greatness. Keep shining, and see you in the next session.